Hello everybody, welcome to another review. This time we are reviewing Out of Time 2003. Gave this movie a rating of 4 and I saw it in 2004 and 2015. Movie poster says it's sexy, exciting, hugely enjoyable. Denzel Washington. Out of Time, the clock is ticking. Carl Franklin and Denzel Washington team up again for another mystery thriller in Out of Time. Although Denzel is at his best at the chief of police Matthias, which is similar to a role that he took on in The Mighty Quinn, everybody else except for John Billingsley, who plays Chai, is wholly underwhelming. It's Eva Mendes and Dean Cain who have no business being in the film. The former has no talent for acting, shows no credibility playing a detective, fails to demonstrate the modicum of chemistry with Denzel, and acts like a total stranger for a wife when around Denzel's character, who happens to be her husband. In short, Mendes is a Latina bimbo who serves as an eye candy. The latter, Dean Cain, sports the ugliest looking goatee that looks unbecoming of him and is, at best, a TV actor. As for the story and the complications arising out of the insurance fraud scheme, Matthias' handling of the case is highly illegal and smacks of evidence tampering. That's why it's difficult to sympathize with him, because he is equally guilty as the party of the fraudsters and, more importantly, is the one who started the mess. Furthermore, it's hard to believe that he would be able to get away with it after the prosecution's office compiles the evidence and double-checks the facts. As soon as the main investigator of the insurance fraud is revealed, the film immediately loses credibility, because Matthias is a very good-looking guy and she is a very good-looking woman. It just makes no sense for her to go that far. On the other hand, no reasons are proffered about what led to the imminent divorce between Matthias and his wife. Was he unfaithful to her? I'll never know. Meanwhile, the Floridian cinematography is quite nice and tasteful. It does make me want to visit or perhaps move to there. I think it should have been utilized more to give the film a much needed New York atmospheric feel, like how Body Heat and Wild Things had done. All in all, Denzel Washington needs to rethink about his selection of scripts and who to work with, because his talent is too good to waste on such rubbish. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please check out my other playlists, and we'll see you for another review.